I think being a responsible user of digital devices does not need extreme measure. The rule of thumb is that if you have not touched your old device for 6 months, you are probably never going to touch it again. What you can do is offering your old device for the second-hand market or giving it even to your younger sibling, but for your devices have no useful life, then hand them over to one of the authorized collection centers so that we are able to turn someone's waste into a very valuable tool and make sure it doesn't end up in the landfill.